Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study fast and understand. First, define specific goals for each study period to maintain focus. Next, actively test yourself on the material rather than just rereading notes. This forces your brain to retrieve information, strengthening memory. Finally, divide large subjects into smaller, digestible chunks. This makes learning less overwhelming and more effective. To boost your learning efficiency, try the Pomodoro technique, working in 25-minute bursts with short breaks. After reading, summarize the main points aloud or in writing. This active processing deepens understanding. Also, link new information to what you already know. Building these connections helps your brain integrate and recall facts more easily, making your study time more productive. To truly master complex subjects, try teaching the material to a friend or even an imaginary audience. Explaining concepts clarifies your own understanding and highlights any gaps. Implement spaced repetition by reviewing information at increasing intervals. This is highly effective for long-term memory. Regularly revisit difficult topics to ensure they stick, preventing the need to relearn them later. To maximize your study sessions, first, create a distraction-free environment. Turn off notifications and find a quiet spot. Second, prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Rest is crucial for memory consolidation and cognitive function. And for those busy study days, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.